Hello guys, today we are going to be showing you how to build your very own fridge. So first, let me change my name to Rudra. Yeah. Wait, what? Wait, what happened? Okay. Let me go in my world. Okay. And then I builded my very own fridge by that. I really want to eat these cooked beef. Let me eat one. I didn't. Okay. Whoa! Oh my! I just broke that part of the house. I don't know why did I do that, but I can fix it back. Okay. So first of all, you have to do that. See, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 blocks so high, 2 blocks like that, and do the same right here, and then you have to do that. Then you have to break this part and then get a oak trap door. Then you have to do that. There is the door of the fridge. Now we want to break this. Like, we have to break it. Don't break this middle part, okay? Don't break this middle part, only the up part right there, okay? No, actually you have to do that, okay? And then voila, you have your fridge, but not yet. Get your item frame, place them right here. Whatever food you want to place in here, place in here. I'm going to place this steak, cooked steak. So voila, you have your own fridge. I hope you enjoy my video. Please subscribe, turn on post notification bell, and leave a like so you get notified. I will post brand new videos for you guys. So bye.